targeted murders, targeted rapes, vandalism, and by a particular caste groups.
You speak on the budget, Honorable V. Vijay Sai Reddy.
This is
You are
budget,
very
sir.
experienced
Why I am saying is,
person. Please.
sir, kindly understand that I am saying that Home Ministry allocations to the
Please
police
confine
department is
yourself to the
inadequate.
budget.
I am only trying to say why it is inadequate. It is a budgetary speech, sir.
Confine yourself
It
to
is a
budget
budgetary
only. Yes,
speech.
this will be my advice to you.
Please do not object, sir. Why?
Please.
Why
No,
I
I'm
am
not
trying to
objecting. This is the
justify why
subject.
more allocations
This
are
is the
required
subject, please.
for the Home Ministry.
Subject is budget.
Sir, 490 government, 560 private properties have been attacked. 1,050 assaults have been made. 300 attempts of murders have taken place. 31 political murders in the last 50
Please
days.
come on the subject.
This is subject only, sir.
No, these are figures you have to authenticate again. You have to authenticate.
I respectfully disagree with you, sir, because this is a
You
subject.
have to authenticate all these figures.
the
And we are
homes-
not discussing
home-
law and order of the state. Please,
Homes of marginalized SC, ST, BC communities have been demolished.
please confine yourself to the budget
And
speech.
this is part of my budget speech, sir.
I'll again
Mahatma
remind you, Honorable
Mahatma
Vijay Sai Reddy
Gandhi,
ji.
sir, if you are,
Please,
if
no,
you are denying,
I'll request you.
if
This
you
is
are
the
denying,
same thing-
if you are going
this is
to
the
deny
same
me an
thing was happening
opportunity,
2 years
I
back also.
welcome you, sir.
Please, you
If you are
used
denying,
to
if you are
object
going,
such things.
if you are going to
You
deny me an
used to
opportunity
object
to
such
speak
things.
on the budget, I welcome, sir.
Please confine
I
yourself to
respect
budget.
you. I have great respect towards you, sir.
Please confine yourself to budget.
Mahatma Gandhi has said, sir, injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. This is,
Please. No,
sir, that is the reason.
You have to authenticate all these things. Mr. V. Vijay Sai Reddy, you have to authenticate.
Sir,
you
that
know
is
you are
the
a very
fact,
senior
that is the-
member.
that is the reality
किसी भी
which I have
महत्वपूर्ण
brought
पद
it
पर
to the
बैठे
notice of the
व्यक्ति के
honorable
बारे में
deputy
बिना
chairman, sir.
सब्सटेंटिव मोशन के आप नहीं बोल सकते. Please,
Sir.
you give it in authenticate it, please, by evening.
Sir, the
It's a
third
very
point,
serious allegation.
third point, sir.
Please, you
2,400,
have to authenticate by evening. Be clear on this.
2000
Otherwise, you withdraw.
I am talking about
I'm
the
giving
budget,
you option.
sir.
Please, okay, no, fine, you speak, but you have to authenticate this statement by evening. Please,
Sir,
continue.
2,400 megawatts of power plant at Pirpanti in Bihar, has been sanctioned at the cost of 21,400 crores. I appreciate. We welcome it. On the other hand, on the contrary, grants for backward region will be provided. This is what the Honorable Finance Minister's statement. How much? What is the grant that is being?
Should also report the carbon emissions that they have reduced. Otherwise, there is absolutely no legitimacy. We have companies who, to offset their carbon emissions, invest in projects that reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. So my question to the Honorable Minister would be, is there a tracking system on whether such companies are really reducing their own carbon emissions before they invest in projects which are already reducing their carbon emissions? I think it also connects to what the question that has already been raised earlier. Thank you, sir.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, कार्बन एमिशन के कुछ टारगेट्स तय किए जाते हैं, कुछ उनको टारगेट दिए जाते हैं हर इंडस्ट्री को, हर सेक्टर को. उसी में से उनका एक कंपटीशन खड़ा होता है कि कार्बन एमिशन कौन अपने टारगेट्स को पूरा करता है, कौन उससे बेटर अचीव करता है. जो बेटर अचीव करता है उसी को कार्बन सर्टिफिकेट्स जो इशू होते हैं ताकि मार्केट के अंदर फ्री मार्केट में बेच सकता है. तो जो बेचने की और खरीदने की प्रक्रिया शुरू होगी तो निश्चित रूप से उसकी मेजरमेंट अपने आप होगी, क्योंकि स्टिल हमारा इंडियन कार्बन मार्केट इट इज़ येट अंडर वे. 2026 तक ये इंडियन कार्बन मार्केट जब सामने आएगी तो उसी में से एक मूल्यांकन होगा कि किस इंडस्ट्री के सेक्टर ने अपना टारगेट पूरा किया, किसने पूरा नहीं किया है. जो भी पूरा करेंगे और नहीं कर पाएंगे तो उनको खरीदने पड़ेंगे सर्टिफिकेट. जो पूरा कर पाएंगे बल्कि बेटर कर पाएंगे, दे आर टू सेल देयर सर्टिफिकेट, उसमें से चीज़ें अपने आप तय होंगी.
और ये भी बताओ कि दुनिया में